We're gonna be pulling the stator out of this turd over here. He says it's too loose, and guys don't like it when it's too loose. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that right up. And then we're gonna put a throttle return spring on it. It's just a never-ending battle with these cars. There's always stuff to do. So we're gonna get to it. As soon as Don decides to get his ass in here, he's been all weekend he's been off. First off, let's put some light under here. Let's bring some light to this car. This car's just got a regular AOD in it. And it goes 8s, probably 7s. That's an AOD tranny. And that there is just a decorative piece. Look. Hey! Look what the cat drove.
Looking under my skirt, Dad.
Oh, sneak. Yeah, we're gonna do this. What'd you say?
You're all my trash in my car. What do you mean, dude? I can't spread out.
I had to move these tires. Those tires right there from over there, right in the middle of everything. Tried to go dirt biking with my kids and can't even get the dirt bikes out because Don's got his crap everywhere. We're gonna pull the tranny out, but first, see that guy over there? He's on the phone. He's on the phone again. He was supposed to be cleaning an oil pan because he wants to save the tranny fluid. But you know what? When duty calls, you get on the phone and you forget about all the stuff that you're doing. Let's go finish cleaning the oil pan for him and so we can reuse the oil. We got the oil pan. But Don likes to make a mess and leave shit out. First off, we gotta clear Don's shit from this table. Okay, let's do the other side. Now we can clean this properly. We'll get some towels. Don likes getting this AutoZone O'Reilly's brake clean or contact cleaner or brake cleaner. It's violent. We're putting gloves on because the lady friend don't like it when I got dirty hands. Diesel oil's nasty. I think he's on the phone just because he didn't want to do this. Man, you use that O'Reilly's brake fluid and you're like in here with it, man, you start getting all wobbly. Whoa. Be a whole lot easier if Don didn't have all this used oil in these little soda pop cans or whatever they are down there. I just like giving him crap. When I give you crap, it means I like you. When I don't even say anything to you, it means I could give a crap about you. I'll start pulling this tranny out. Put some tranny fluid in here. He's still on his phone. I hear noises. I wonder what they are. Let's go see. What's under here, Don?
There's a Don under here, dude.
There's a Don under here. Damn.
Don't be looking at my fucked up shit.
This is a race car. We got here a genuine racing car.
These are not 10s.
Well, let's get something other than a 10. Those are 12s or 13 stars.
The stars of an angel.
How many wrenches do you want down here, Don?
Halfers. They're halfers.
You want a half? I'll give you a half.
Give me an 11 and a halfer. Sorry, here.
Go to 40, sis.
7/16 is money, brother.
Good thing I brought it and you didn't even tell me to.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. You said get it. Half inch.
Don't record, dude. When you go 6 O's, you need to make sure she's locked. Oh! It's probably the tightest some fuckers I've ever been.
We need more tools, more wrenches. Let's go get some more wrenches.
Hurry up and give me my Italian socket, dude. Hurry up. With the croissant.
I'm on my way.
The croissant, which.
I'm on my way.
Let's see what that lat's looking like.
The lat fluid.
Stinky from the factory. That looks brand new, dude.
Lady friend's gonna get pissed. I got all of my fingers. Oh my gosh, what do you got going on over there?
It's called dope.
Dude, this stuff stinks.
Yeah, it does. Even in the brand new, it stinks like that. Alright, dude, like your video said, dude, if you do it more than twice, you're playing.
We're making headway. Or tailway, whatever you want to call it. Where's even the train? Oh, the tranny. Tranny is right there. It's about to fall out of this piece of car.
That's all she had?
Hey, look at this. Who made this for you? This is nice.
No, Levi machined this down because this was for a LS. Too long. One.
Don't hit it. I can't guarantee.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Now what you do with your fingers is you just let them get smashed.
She's out.
We got the old No Prep 3000 in there. She was a little loosey-goosey. So now we got to put the radial tight 3000.
And then I just got home. And Don's already here. What do you think he's doing over there? Oh, he's on the phone again. He talks on the phone a lot. We're gonna see if we can't get this turd. Dude, it stinks in here. That tranny fluid's nasty. Oh my god, it smells like ass. We're gonna get this thing all buttoned up again, I think, unless he did or didn't fix that already. We stabbed the converter in it already. Now we're gonna put that thing up there in that hole there hole thing and make this transmission scream for mercy with all them 302 cubic inches. Right, Don? Right?
Hell yeah, brother.
As Don drives off in my truck because it's, what friends do. We're making a throttle return bracket. Just a little piece of aluminum that we're gonna make a spring that goes to it for this here hot rod. It's gonna go right there. There's not a real good spot for this to have a return spring, so I'm gonna mount it off of here. It's gonna mount somewhere like that and have a spring connected to that, so that when Don chicken foots the car, it won't be going la 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 and get stuck wide open. Hopefully it'll return itself back to the designated idle spot. He likes that idle spot, by the way. Well, after not short notice but short work time, I came up with this here throttle return thing. This ain't the right spring, but it's just what I had sitting around. We'll have to get a different one. I want a stiffer one on it. Right, it's like that. I want a stiffer one here. But it'll work. It's notched down here, so this is as far forward as it's going to go, even if this bolt comes loose. Hopefully it doesn't, because that'll make all kinds of weird stuff happen. Don's going racing this weekend. Hopefully put this thing in the winter circle. Get another one of them big old checks so we can hang it up on the wall in here. Yeah, right. Someday he'll give me one of them big old checks. They ain't worth nothing, but they're really cool to look at. Until then, we got so much more work to do. The tranny's back in it. Fluids are... Oh, he almost caught it on fire today while I was at work. Fuel line came loose and tried to tighten it and popped apart and shooting fuel everywhere. I'm glad he didn't catch the shop on fire. So, Until then, we're going racing.